Unraveling the Art of Cutwork Embroidery. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cutwork embroidery, a beautiful technique that has adorned textiles for centuries. If you're curious about how this method adds elegance and intricacy to fabric, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey together to understand cutwork embroidery, its history, and its application in modern design. Cutwork embroidery, also known as punto tagliato, is a decorative needlework technique where portions of the fabric are cut away and the resulting holes are reinforced and embellished with embroidery. This creates a stunning lace-like effect. The technique involves precise cutting and sewing, often resulting in intricate patterns and designs that add a unique texture and visual interest to the material. Cutwork is most commonly seen in table linens, clothing, and home decor items, showcasing its versatility and timeless appeal. Tracing back to the 15th century, cutwork embroidery has a rich history that spans across different cultures and continents. Initially, it was a luxury art form practiced in Italy and eventually spread across Europe, becoming particularly popular during the Renaissance. The beauty of cutwork lies in its ability to transform ordinary textiles into exquisite pieces of art, reflecting the social status and wealth of the wearer or the household. Over the years, the technique has evolved, incorporating various styles and influences, yet it remains a testament to the skill and creativity of artisans through the ages. The key to mastering cutwork embroidery lies in understanding the various techniques involved, such as buttonhole stitches, satin stitches, and needle lace. These techniques help secure the fabric's edges after cutting, preventing fraying while adding decorative elements to the design. The choice of fabric is also crucial, with linen and cotton being the most popular due to their durability and ease of handling. Thread selection varies depending on the desired effect, with cotton, silk, and polyester threads being commonly used to add color, texture, and strength to the embroidery. In the modern world, cutwork embroidery continues to thrive, blending traditional techniques with contemporary designs. It's seen in fashion, from haute couture to everyday wear, adding elegance and sophistication to garments. Additionally, cutwork is popular in home decor, offering a timeless charm to tablecloths, curtains, and bedding. With the advent of machine embroidery, cutwork has become more accessible, allowing for intricate designs to be produced faster and more efficiently, making this art form beloved by both traditional artisans and modern designers. We hope this video has shed light on the intricate world of cutwork embroidery and inspired you to appreciate or even try this beautiful technique. Whether you're an avid embroidery enthusiast or just someone who admires the beauty of textile arts, cutwork embroidery offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of traditional crafts and their place in contemporary design. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to keep exploring the wonderful world of crafts and creativity.